Welcome to the channel, folks. It's another gorgeous sunny day here in Thailand, Pattaya Jomtien, and coming at you from Jomtien Beach Road, where I'm doing a hotel review today. Again, this is just a channel that I've set up basically of my daily life. I am retired disability pensioner, retired due to poor health. I feel blessed, especially when I'm in such a beautiful place like Thailand. So here we're staying at the Grand Jomtien Palace here, Hotel, which I'll show you the room and the facilities in a minute. But yeah, just have a look around here. So yeah, it's Jomtien Beach Road, which Pattaya's that way, where all the youngies and the party animals go. You got your 7-Eleven just next door. Behind that is just like a small market, food vendors. 7-Eleven open 24 hours. In the back there's the Copacabana, the latest condominium extravaganza. Got to be seen to be believed. And yeah, today's Sunday. It's about 12:30 and there's a lot of traffic. Apparently there's some do-on or some festival, and going towards there, you're going towards way down Bang Sarai. So yeah, come along for the ride, and I'll take you for a tour through the Grand Jomtien Palace Hotel. So it's yeah. Anyway, I'll show you through and then I'll do some more talking later. Don't forget, if you like what you see, the content, please share, subscribe, comment, positive, negative, and yeah, thanks for your support. Have a great day. A little bar there where you can have a drink, casual drink at night. Some of the famous tuk-tuks, third table and so forth. Yeah, I'll just show you the pool now. There's 3 pools here. There's 2 outside, and there's another one on the 4th floor. Can get a massage here as well. They do very good massages. I've had quite a few with my arthritis. Probably have another one today actually, or tomorrow. But yeah, it's an old hotel. It's about 20 years old. Needs a refurb. Actually, they're doing refurb. A lot of noise going on, but it's okay. Yeah, this is the pool area. I won't film the individuals, but yeah, that's the pool with the bar in the middle. Fairly large pool. There's another one way down there, basically the same. So yeah, there's plenty of room at the deep end. Yeah, very, very nice. Opening time 7 AM to 7 PM. Got showers around the place. You want to wash down before and after. And yeah, there's another pool over there. Basically the same thing. So we'll just go up here, and I'll bring you into the rooms. To my room. There's a lot of tourists here all of a sudden this morning, so I don't want to film individuals because I'm not here to go against the Privacy Act. I respect people's privacy. So this is the foyer. Kids club down there. like families, you know, to 6 p.m. So yeah, air conditioning, lifts, there's the foyer, and restaurant, so forth. Anyway, we'll go up to my level and show you the room review. We're just in the elevator as we go up. So yeah, it's quite warm today. Not the humidity, but quite warm. Every day has actually been beautiful. But there's just a nice breeze at night, which is just tremendous. Show you a quick view of the area. That's from the floor I'm on, overlooking, going towards Bang Sarai. And there's the pool I just showed you. There again from this window here, some great views. It's just nice magnificent views, yeah. So that's heading towards Bang Sarai, which I was there last week. If you check the other videos. Yeah, let's see the room. And just on the left of me is yeah, that little vendor store which used to be on the beach. They've cleaned up the beaches. That's open at night, or about 12, 1 o'clock. So you can get all your pat kraus and your tom yums and all the delicious Thai food. And overlooking towards Pattaya there, and there's the big Copacabana hotel. It's a Riviera over there, and yeah, beautiful view. All right, let's have a look at this room. Okay, so this is the room, and just give you a quick run around. Just a basic room, basic fridge. No drinks really, they're my own drinks, but just a small bar, very modest, but does the job, keeps drinks full. You get two bottles of water daily. Got your 2 glasses there. There's no tea and coffee making that I've seen, but yeah, the room's quite basic. It's clean. I'm happy here for the price, but it is very basic, and they are doing renovations, and they didn't tell us, they didn't tell me, so there can be a lot of noise. So it hasn't really bothered me because it comes and goes, but it may bother someone that's got kids or elderly or health issues, more chronic. Double bed, cleaner every day. I've had 2 or 3 come in every day. They do a very good job. The people here, I must say, the Thais are just, yeah, they do lack English, so that's one thing that's probably lacking, but it's not really, you can overcome. They just got to find someone that can translate. But yeah, I can't complain about the cleanliness in this place at all. This is the bathroom, just a fairly standard bath towels. They give you a couple of towels a day, toilet roll, etc, etc. Air conditioning. Air conditioning works great. I need air conditioning. That's one thing I cannot do without, so I give that a pretty good rating. Got some big wardrobes here. Do make a lot of noise, so because this place is over 20 years old, but does the job. If that's what you're on a budget, this is okay in my view. Telephone, television with just your basic channels. I think there's a couple of American, one or two Australian. Couldn't watch the footy, but I heard my team was winning, Collingwood, with Adelaide, so yeah. Then we got the balcony. When I actually booked online, because I booked when I arrived, because I've been to Bangkok, Sriracha, Novotel, a couple of hotels on the island. I went to Bang Sarai, so I booked this online and I kept following up. Now I don't know what that is, but no one followed up, no one emailed me, only through the website that I went through. No, so there's no communication direct from the hotel, but when I got here it all went smoothly. But as I say, probably 99% of the people here do not understand English, so you've just got to, they're lovely people, very, very nice, but just got to make sure, even with the taxis or the Grab, that you do confirm addresses, amounts, what they tell you, because they're English, they'll say one thing and they're not trying to, mostly they got good hearts, but then the next day you'll say, well, you told me this, and then they'll tell you something else. So yeah, but overall the service here is good, and this is just a day in the life of my life. It's not to say what you should do or do this or do that, not at all. This is just a day in the life of my life, what I do, where I am, etc, etc. So yeah, enjoy. We're on the 7th floor here. I got a free upgrade, so I commend the hotel staff. I booked the lower floor with a sea view, and then they upgraded me free of charge. They didn't ask for 1 cent more, so I've got no complaints. And again, the staff are wonderful, cleaners.